Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be learning how to make a scrunchie. First, prepare a hair elasticated rubber band that looks like this. Second, prepare your fabric. Mine is length at 41 cm by 15 cm. However, I would like if I had prepared my length at about 50 cm to 55 cm by 15 cm. Next, pull your fabric across the rubber band just like this. We're gonna take the longer part of the fabric and sew it all across with the band in the middle. After it's done, it's gonna look like this. Reverse the fabric inside out, and after it's reversed, this is how it's gonna look like, the end product. As you can see, there's a big hole in the middle. We will need to close this hole. I take the seam middle to middle and pin it so I can sew it. To be honest, this is the hard part because with the hole being like kind of small, there's not enough space to like wiggle around, adjust and sew it being inside out as well. So I only could sew like a little tiny space, and this is how it turned out after having the seam secured. We're almost done here. There's still a big hole left that we need to close. Here I will push all the allowance of the scrunchie inside and pin it. What we want to do is give it a top stitch at the scrunchie at the edge so it looks neat. Place your needle at the very edge of the seam and give it a top stitch. Try to sew to the edge as near as possible so the outlook of the scrunchie will look super neat. And now cut it and you're done. As you can see here, there's a top stitch where we sewed at the edge just now, and the whole scrunchie is finally closed. With this scrunchie being done, I actually hoped that I lengthened the length longer so it would give the scrunchie a much more generous gather. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you learned something from this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!